oh my God, I can't wear this hair so big and frizzy. I think.
Hello my beauty addicts, it's your girl Val Janice Renee. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and ways to build wealth. Hello ladies, I am coming back to you with a sensational Butta lace wig. It is it's a Bohemian 28-inch. Color is Biologic Gold. It's with a wet lace collection, and I am super excited about this wig, you guys. It comes ear to ear lace with 2 combs on the side and a comb in the back. It has a middle part. Of course, you can put your part anywhere you want to go. It does not have to go in the middle, but I decided to wear mine in the middle. As you guys know, I am plucking my front lace of my wig just so it can look a little bit more natural. Sometimes when you get a synthetic unit, it doesn't look good around the hairline. Pretty much all of my videos, you guys, if you watch any of my previous videos, I always show you an in-depth plucking, but this one I am going to not show that part all the way to the end. I am going in with the Sennationnel hairspray just to lay that front down, and then I'm going to take my hair comb just to push the hair back. That way I can get rid of any flyaways, and I can see if I need to do any more plucking. I decided not to. I like the way it was looking so far, so I just went in with just styling the hair unit. So right now I decided to cut my lace off before I apply the wig on my head. You guys know I like to do this first as well. Like, I don't like to put the wig on and then start cutting. I don't know, it's a visual thing for me. So if you're anything like me, let me know down in the comments if you have tried this method, if you like it better, or if you like actually putting your wig on and then cutting the lace. I went in to show you guys that how I actually wear the stocking cap up under my wig units. I use the ebony lace tint to do that, and I can't remember the color that I actually use. Once I spray my hair, I always go in and clean with alcohol. So as you guys can see, I am actually cleaning pretty much all of the top of my head, my face, even my eyes, because you guys, I got a surprise for you. I'm not gonna ruin the surprise, but I am going to apply foundation. I use the Fit Me foundation to actually just go in and give it a little bit more color. I also put the Fit Me foundation, I think it's the color 335, and I put it inside my wig because that's the kind of foundation I actually wear in a liquid form. So I wear the liquid form of the foundation in 335 in the Fit Me. Make sure you, whenever you're laying down your units, you use a hair blow dryer. Try not, if you can, use your fingers. I am a little bit but I always like to use like the tip of the comb or whatever I have in my hand at the time to kind of lay my units down, because your hands actually have oils on them, which is not great. So try not to go in using your hand and clean your tips of like whatever the comb is with the alcohol that I showed you guys, and try and just use like the tip of the comb or whatever you have in your hand that you don't have to use and you can actually wipe down with alcohol. Actually, I find that gives me a better hold, and it doesn't take that long either. As you guys can see, it has already melted. but I still like to use my Got to Be to melt down my laces. If you all know or have watched any of my previous videos, you know that I like to use the purple Got to Be to lay my lace down. I don't know, it to me doesn't flake as bad as the other ones that I use. And then I also use the piece of the hairs that I am going to be doing my ear tabs and my sideburns with. I kind of cut right there, that way it won't be hurting my ear, but I also use that little piece to kind of help me lay down my ear tabs. And I think it's just habit of me touching the wig with my fingers. But if you guys cannot resist, try to wipe your hands off with some alcohol. All right, you guys, I am laying down my lace with this elastic band. So add your elastic band. I have a lot of this elastic band, you guys. You can get this at any beauty supply store. I think they sell them now. And this is where I am going to give you guys a treat. You guys, I've decided to do a full makeup tutorial and give you guys a get ready with me makeup tutorial. So we're gonna do the wig, and then we're gonna go in with makeup. And I use my brown eyeliner. Well, it's a brow pencil. It has a toolie on the other side, so it's easy to apply, and it's one of my favorites. I can't think of the name of it right off my head. I was trying to think of it, but I really couldn't think of it. I always use a NYX concealer. It's one of my favorites. Sometimes I buy the concealer from MAC, but this is mostly beauty supply store products, you guys. I wanted to kind of keep it within budget, something that is not going to break the bank, and you can actually do a full makeup tutorial with beauty supply store products. So if I do pick anything from the beauty supply store, I tend to go towards NYX products. And that's what I'm doing now, is lining my brows using that toolie on the other side. And I'm going in now with my Fit Me 335 foundation. That's what I pretty much apply on my as a full face makeup foundation. I apply that all over, and I'm a type of girl that likes to paint my foundation on my face. So I use this like flat brush. I broke it, you guys, and I just bought me a new one, but whatever I can find that can actually paint the foundation on my face, especially when you're using a liquid foundation. I absolutely love this Fit Me 335. I have oily skin, so I go in with the one that is made that gives you like a matte finish, but it's made for oily skin. This is one of my favorites, you guys. This Maybelline Rewind. Let me tell you, ladies, it is so airy. Like, just applying it all over. Like, I don't even use as much as since I did this video. I don't even use like as much on my face. Like, I went over. I think I put too much. But what I did was I went in with some more of the Fit Me and kind of tried to darken it back up because it was just too light. I was looking like a ghost for a minute, but decided to a friend of mine gave me this Fenty foundation, and it is definitely not my skin tone. So I immediately decided, okay, what can I use this for? And it was perfect for me doing a bronzer on my face, and it absolutely made me want to go buy some Fenty, because the way my face at the end just looks so flawless to me. So I still thought my face was a little too dark, but like I tell you, like I'm telling you guys, that we Rewind by Maybelline, oh my God, it's so good. I absolutely love that stuff. It's so airy, it's not heavy, and it just goes on like so sheer, is what I'm trying to tell you. So I just went in with a little bit more bronzer. I got this bronzer from the beauty supply store. I don't even know the name of it, but they sell bronzer all the time. And I went in with the pressed powder made by Maybelline, to kind of like just bring everything together and blend everything together. Then I go in with the NK eyeshadow. I'm using like a pumpkin spice palette. It is, to me, giving me a more natural look. I actually use that color so much. I absolutely love that on my eyes. I'm actually going in the middle part with like the lighter color that I see on that palette is right in the middle. And then I'm going in just to kind of do a transition color to kind of blend those two together. You guys, I am not a makeup artist. I'm just being honest. I just know how to do my makeup, and I do the best that I can. If I think that it's pretty, it's pretty. It's gonna be pretty. I do my best, but I'm not a visual makeup person. So, but I thought this would be fun for you guys to see. So my absolute favorite eyeliner is this Tattoo eyeliner. I first tried it when I received like one of those beauty boxes, and I've been going to the beauty supply. They sell it at the beauty supply, and I go in just to buy sometimes just the Tattoo um, eyeliner, because it's amazing. I don't know what to tell you. I hate when it gets dry though. I've tried so many different kinds of eyeliners. This does not bleed. It does not smear. It stays on the entire time. You're not gonna have any mess ups. No mess ups. It's easy to just take some makeup. Like if you have like clean your face with makeup things. If you guys can see while I'm doing this, I messed up a little bit. So I go in with like a little makeup cleanser wipe, and I just kind of go in and like clean it up a little bit on both sides, but it comes off easily with that. I'm so proud of myself, you guys. My makeup, I think it looks so amazing, and I hope you guys like this special treat that I have for you guys. I'm using some NYX as well. No, this is NK as well for the blush, and I'm using the NK matte makeup lipstick. I cannot find this anywhere, you guys, so I tried another brand that they had, but I can't hardly find this lipstick anywhere. But it is my favorite. So if you guys ever can find this lipstick in your beauty supply store, grab it. If you find it for me, let me know where I can kind of pick it up. But I love it. I absolutely love that lipstick. All right, you guys, I am finishing up my hair. I had somewhere to be. As you guys can see, I was looking at my watch on my arm, and I am finishing up just doing some baby hairs. I just think that this hair will look so much prettier with baby hairs. Sometimes I don't like baby hairs, but when I do them, I always cut my baby hairs down to my eyebrows. As you guys can see, that's the length of my eyebrows. And then I do them as thin as possible, because to me that looks more natural. So I went ahead and just finished it off with some cute baby hairs, you guys. So the hair was a little bit big for me. So I had to go in with the hair as much as I could to kind of get that curl to pop again. It was starting to get a little frizzy. So that's why you see me over here. I was trying to like keep the hair from being so poofy and frizzy up at the top. So I put some Sebastian back onto my hair just to lay it down a little bit better and to get some of this frizz up out of there. Wasn't working. So I went ahead with the hot comb just to lay that down a little bit better so it can look a little bit more smoother. This hair was really frizzy, you guys, very frizzy. But I had a solution for that. So as you guys can see, or will see in just a moment, how I just went in section by section and I kind of took the hair in pieces and wet it and applied so I'm using the extreme gel section by section and spraying it down with some water, and that was it. That did it. That did what I needed it to do. The curls was popping, you guys. It was doing exactly what I needed to do. It made me feel like it was my natural hair. It was just so pretty once you start doing that. So all I did was wet the hair, and then I went in with that extreme gel, and that was it.
All right, you guys, so you guys can see that I put the extreme in my hair, the extreme gel, and on the left side it looks so much better. It's not big, it's not frizzy, because I was like, oh my god, I can't wear this hair so big and frizzy. I think I missed a few spots like down here, but all in all it looks much better if you just go in, because like my part is kind of crooked and I could have just went and moved the part over to the left side, but I decided to just leave it how it is. So I am going to do this front side like I did the left side, because yeah, like right here, yeah, I think I'm going to go in and do a little bit more gel, but you guys can see a totally different. It was like so big and frizzy, and I was like, I can't go outside like that. No honey, no. So let me go ahead and finish doing this, and you guys are going to see the end result.
All right, you guys, this is the end results. As you guys can see, those curls are popping. I can't even be mad at it. And it finally dried. So this was how it looked once it dried. It didn't look frizzy or anything. I was just so happy with this hair. My husband actually loved it as well. And I am done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more of me, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so you won't miss another video. Thanks, you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.